Welcome to my channel. NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 LTE Router 4 Stream High-Speed Internet for Home and Office. Step 1. Unbox the router. Open the box and check all items: router, antennas, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick guide. Step 2. Insert SIM card. Insert a nano SIM card from your mobile network provider into the router. This router uses 4G LTE for internet access. Step 3. Attach antennas. Fix the external antennas properly for better signal strength. Step 4. Power on the router. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait for LED lights to stabilize. Step 5. Connect to router network. On your phone or laptop, connect to the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, printed on the router label. Step 6. Open Setup page. Open a browser and go to right finger http://192.168.1.1 or routerlogin.net. Step 7. Login to admin panel. Enter default login credentials, usually printed on the router label. Step 8. Use Nighthawk app, optional. Download the Nighthawk app for quick setup and easy management. Step 9. Configure internet and Wi-Fi. Set your Wi-Fi name, SSID, create a strong password. Confirm LTE connection is active. Router supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster speed and more devices. Step 10. Connect devices. Now connect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, etc. to the new Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.